segment, partner. Would you like to
Eto na.
introduce this?
Yes, eto na! Ito na ang main highlight of this Waifu Fest 2025, our cosplay competition. So of course, we will discuss ano nga bang mapapanalunan natin for the cosplay festival.
For our, okay, just to be clear, okay, so prior to this event,
yes.
we have already invited everyone, regardless of age, regardless of gender, kahit saan ka pa sa Pilipinas, you are welcome to join.
Yes.
So just to be very clear, as per guidelines, we are supposed to have a minimum, okay, of 10 participants.
Yes.
Okay? Na mananalo ng cash prize and merchandise.
Yes.
So yung merchandise palang winner na sila. Unfortunately, maybe because of the weather, may mga hindi nakahabol,
Oo.
we are only able to gather 6 participants.
Not bad,
Pero
actually.
Not bad.
Not bad. We have 6 competitors. Madami
6
na yun.
talented participants who would like to showcase
Yes.
their cosplay character and of course, yung kanilang mga talent. So, kaabang-abang.
Kaabang-abang, exactly.
So, for
ano-
this competition partner, we are going to be awarding first place, second place, and
Grand champion.
no, we only have first place and second place.
First and
That's
second
it.
lang.
And then may merchandise or gift,
Yes.
consolation
So
for
ano nga
our...
ba ang magiging price nila if ever? Alright, so we have prizes later on, di ba?
Alright, so
yun.
let's discuss yung criteria
Oo,
for
yung
judging.
judging criteria. So we will discuss first sa mga
Sige po.
cosplayers, sa mga participants natin, nasa sali ngayon. Here are the judging criteria for today's cosplay competition. Starting off with costume and props, 35%. So this is the quality and creativity of the costumes and props of the participants. Next, accuracy, 35%. Cosplayers have a faithful approach to the overall physical aspects of the original characters in terms of costumes, props, makeup, colors, details, and etc.
Pag sinabi nating accuracy, okay, just for the information of everybody, siya ba talaga yung character?
Yes. We are
na
not
punto
just
niya talaga?
Yes, we are not just talking about the costume accuracy, but also yung overall accuracy.
Overall, from the voice, mannerism,
Yes.
ganon, body
And the way you
language.
talk, the way you move, kung yung movements ba is same as the character that he or she is portraying.
Exactly. So, costume and props, 35. Accuracy, 35%.
And
Next
last,
is
presentation,
presentation. So, for this,
30%.
bodily movements, poses, and other non-verbal cues are those of the original characters as depicted in the literary works.
Yes.
Ayan po. So, I think we are ready. Nag-draw lots ba tayo? Okay, kindly give me a lineup. Sino muna ang mauuna?
Yan, so habang
Alright.
hinihintay natin,
But
napaka-excited.
before that,
Nakita ko
syempre.
yung mga costume, effort, ang effort ng mga punta ngayon. Imagine may mga narinig yata ako na pumunta pa ng galing Pampanga just to compete here. Di ba? You know the effort of doing what they love to do, which is cosplay. It's something that we can appreciate as an event, di ba?
Yes, and syempre there's no competition without our distinguished panel of judges.
Yes.
So may I call on our first judge? She is an idol performer and we have seen her charm, her talent, energy, okay, since day one.
Yes.
Let's give it up to our first judge, Ses! Nasaan na yung mga kamay? Palakpak
Ayan
naman
na si
dyan.
Ses, actually. Yan. Next, our second judge, which is from M Design.
So, kahapon, nag-share po siya
Oo.
ng how 3D, artworks
artworks.
are really
Yes.
nagiging trend.
Ayan,
From shoes to toys to anything basta kaya ng machine.
A representative from
Yes,
M-Design
from
is here
M-Design.
to judge. Siyempre,
And last-
kailangan natin yung ano nila. Yung
Yes, of course. We have a performer, we have a designer, and last but not the least, to complete our panel of judges, he is a famous cosplayer. Last year, nakakatuwa yung kanyang attire. Parang
Yes.
perfect yata sa Chinese festival yon. Hindi ko na patatagalin pa. The very talented Waki Cosplay!
Ayan. Kumpleto na ang judge. Kumpleto na ang criteria.
So
Ano
odd
pa bang-
number. So
Yeah.
three really distinguished and talaga namang they deserve to be
Yes.
our judges. Okay? So each performer will have their time to shine on stage. Ipapakita nila yung kanilang talent and our judges will be judging them
Yes.
based on our criteria. So, can you give us a cue kung ready na?
Mukhang ready na ang ating contestant number 1. Mamaya interviewin din natin siya about his cosplay. After he performed here on the stage. Yes. So ready na yata si cosplayer number 1.
Mag-a-assemble lang siya ng
Oh.
ng props. So, why don't we invite everyone to please gather sa main stage? This is a rare opportunity
Yes.
na makakita tayo ng mga magagaling talagang
Yes.
cosplayers.
Excited din ako makakita ngayon ng mga nagko-cosplay. Because this is something that I really love to see.
Did you try cosplaying?
Not yet, but I want to.
You want to? Pwede pang humabol
Pwede
pero
pang
hindi na
humabol.
contestant.
Gusto ko na sana maging content. Malapit na ako pumunta dun sa part na yon.
Ako, I'm in my 40s but I wouldn't be shy in cosplaying kasi it's something that's really close to my heart.
Oo, magko-cosplay na sana ako. Alam mo ba magko-cosplay ko?
Ano?
Hentai Kamen.
X! Alright. So, ako naman, I used to cosplay, what do you call this one? Si No Name from Spirited Away. Kasi
Oh.
parang very easy lang naman yung costume niya. And then I did a cosplay together with my son,
Yes.
si Kenshin.
Yes.
He is at my booth. So yun, it's really a very fun experience. And you know what's so amazing? Baguio is the perfect venue to be a cosplayer kasi we embrace artistry.
Yes.
Alam niyo, we do not judge. In fact, we give lots of opportunity, lots of, kumbaga, mga avenues for these youngsters or even mga young at heart to showcase their talent in
Exactly.
cosplaying. Kaya yon, napakaganda. And nabanggit natin, ang isa sa mga major sponsor natin, ang Pangasinan, they too are very supportive of
Yes, it
the
is.
cosplay community. So nakakatuwa, ano? Alright.
Mukhang ready na.
Ready
ba
na.
tayo? Ready na tayo.
Without so much ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to our first cosplayer.
Contestant.
Scorpion.
Finally, the Asashi bloodline will end. Verdelinque.
Round one. Fight.
Hiroi Ryuのために。Get over here! この顔忘れるな。
character. It has begun. Final round. Fight! Finish him! Scorpion wins. Fatality.
Let's give it up to our first contestant.
Yeah.
Are you familiar kung anong character siya from what game? Mortal Kombat. And our first cosplayer is Cosplay Crane. Tama ba? So a little interview. Pwede optional kung gusto mong sabihin ng totoo mong pangalan but from where are you?
And Scorpion. I came from the netherrealm of Pangasinan. And I am here to avenge my clan, my family, and myself! Get over here!
Oh, grabe!
Easy.
Kaya ko din yan. I am Venus! Yung
Mukhang
nandun
malapit
sa-
na. Umaatras ako, baka mamaya saksakin ako bigla.
So, let's talk about the character. He is Cosplay Crane nga from Mortal Kombat. So,
Yes.
that's a really spectacular performance. Na-amaze ba kayo, judges? Una pa lang yan. Okay? So, how long have you been cosplaying?
I am cosplaying since the year 2011 during my high school days.
During
Wow,
high school
high school
days.
days pa.
Amazing. And saan na po yung mga napuntahan yung places to compete? Aside from Baguio, of course.
I've been to Pangasinan and I've been to Pampanga competing in the anime singing competitions aside from competing in cosplay competitions.
So do we expect you to sing also as well?
Sure.
Na-pressure.
Na-pressure bigla eh.
Okay. Thank you so much. Let's give it up once again to Cosplay Crane.
Ang galing, naka-in character kahit sa interview.
All
Ang
right.
galing talaga.
So, ano naman kaya ang pasabog ng ating cosplayer? Huwag na nating patagalin pa, Sir Zim. Let's give it up to our second contestant.
Shirikwa si Tesoro. A wolf pack I am. Lapland Saluso, the traitor of the Saluso clan. Right here performing for you. I wondered, should I go or should I stay? Amanda, and only one more song to play. And then I saw you out the corner of my eye. A little girl alone and so shy. I had the last waltz with you. Two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last waltz should last forever. But the love we had was going strong. Through the good and bad, we get along. And then the flame of love died in your eyes. was broken too when you said goodbye. I had the last waltz with you. Two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last waltz should last forever. It's all over now, nothing left to say, just my tears and the orchestra playing. La 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 la. La 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 la. I had the last waltz with you. Two lonely people together. I fell in love with you. The last waltz should last forever. La 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 la.
There you have it, our
Yan.
second cosplayer. Napakagaling, napakalamig ng boses. Parang si Frank Sinatra na nag-cosplay. So, let's interview our
Yes.
second competitor for this afternoon.
May I know, ano yung kino-cosplay mo?
Lapland Saluso from Arknights.
Arc Knights. Wow.
Yung cosplay name niya is Gold Ship, tama ba?
Gold ship from Umamusume.
So, my question is, how long have you been cosplaying?
I have been cosplaying for... How long have I been at UP Baguio?
Nagbilang.
Halos halos mag-iisang year pa lang.
Oh.
Mag-isang year pa lang, pero look at him, he is really truly in character. So, what made you join in this type of, art form?
Well, nung una, I actually just made a random cardboard cosplay. And then sabi ko, ba't kamukha to ni Megatron? Tapos, ginawa ko talaga si Megatron. And then, unfortunately, pinatapon ng landlord. Kasi sabi, iipisin daw eh. Kaya puro clothes na lang ko ngayon.
Cosplay mo. So, have you been visiting other cities or nearby towns in a cosplay attire?
Not yet. Pero
So,
like,
within Baguio muna, Baguio community. So, I'm very sure this is not just the first time that you will be sharing your talent also to our cosplay community. Tama?
yes.
Okay.
Pero siguro mas magandang cosplay next time. Kasi dito ganun ka-accurate.
Alright. So, hindi naman tayo nagigising lang, I woke up and then magaling na akong cosplayer. Di po
Yes.
ba? Experience is also the best teacher. So, as you go on with different characters, na ma-master mo yung skill. So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank
Let's
you.
give it up to Gold Ship.
Bonzorno.
Ship.
Ayan. So, we are on our third cosplayer. Napaka-interesting ng kanyang name, but later on, i-reveal natin yan. Why don't we give a big round of applause to our third contestant?
Hi! Oh my god, this is my first time on stage. Can you play the music?
Charlie, you don't understand. Heaven never listens. They didn't listen to me. They won't listen to you.
You don't know that!
I do. You didn't know that when I tried this all before. My dreams were too hard to defend. And in the end, I will lose it all again. You're the
you to protect me from this.
I just don't want you to be crushed by them, like I was.
When I was young, I didn't really know it at all. I always felt so small, but I heard the stories and I wasn't wrong. Your tales about your lofty dreams, I listened breathlessly, imagining it could be me. So in the end, it's the view I had of you that showed me your dreams can be worth fighting for. More than anything, more than anything, I need to save my people more than anything.
I've been dying to find out who you
I've
are.
been waiting, wanting the same thing.
Looks like the apple doesn't fall far.
Took you a while.
I miss that smile.
All that I'm hoping, now that my eyes are open, is that we can start again, not be pulled apart again. 'Cause in the end, you are part of who I am.
I'll support your dream, whatever lies in store.
And who could ask for more? More than anything.
More than anything,
More than anything.
I'm grateful you're my daughter. More than anything, more than anything.
Alright.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
cosplayer
much.
number 3.
May tanong ako sa kanya.
Okay, partner, anong tanong mo sa kanya?
Ano yung first name mo?
I'm Charlie.
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 But yung cosplay name niya is
Naughty.
Naughty Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Pero guess what? Anong spelling ng naughty niya? N-O, like big letter N, like no T. Yung T niya is T talaga, tsaa. Diba? Ang witty. Alright, so can you tell us about the character you just performed or portrayed?
Charlie Morningstar is a character from Hasbin Hotel, which wants to redeem the sinners of hell. So that's why we brought out a hotel for sinners, just to redeem them, to give a second chance.
Wow.
Galing-galing.
Galing.
Alright. So, just the costume alone, kasing dramatic ng kanyang performance. So, a little, just to share, she's not supposed to join this competition, pero I approach her kasi, wow, ang ganda ng inyong get-up. Why don't you use this opportunity to showcase your talent?
Of
So,
course.
na-discover natin siya. So,
Saka ang ganda din ng costume niya, di ba?
kaya nga eh. So, have you been competing in other stages?
Actually, no.
So this is the first
First
time.
time.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Congrats! Ngayon pala kino-congrats na kita.
Okay, so grabe. Passion plus yung confidence. Diba? So definitely, this is not the last. Let's give it up to our third contestant, si Naughty Neighbor. Alright. Kamusta po ang mga judges? Ang hirap ano? So, we are down with our last 3 na mga cosplayers. So, abangan natin kung ano pa ang kanilang ipapakita naman.
Before we go on the cosplay competition, so meron tayong ongoing registration para sa ating Street Fighter Turbo 2 tournament sa Shoryu. So for those who want to join the game itself, please approach the staff from Shoryu and tell them that you want to join the tournament.
Alright, exactly what time po mag-i-start yung tournament? 5? What time tayo mag-start ng tournament? Mga 5 p.m. So
5
please
p.m.
approach Shoryu, our mini stage there.
Yes, sa mga gustong maglaro, want to play Street Fighter, please approach them.
If I'm not mistaken, free registration
Free lang,
yan.
oo.
Okay.
Going back to the competition.
Our next cosplayer is from Diablo. Okay? And I think he is very much ready with his performance.
Yes,
So let's,
exciting.
wag na nating patagalin pa.
Oo. Here comes cosplay contestant number 4.
And the stench of terror drifts on a bitter wind. For I have seen what the darkness hides. I don't think it's safe here.
Good evening. In the next hour, we will take you with us into another world. Into the world of music, spirit, and meditation. Turn off the light. Take a deep breath and relax. Start to move slowly, very slowly. Let the rhythm be your guiding light.
You're too tired and cheap lying wannabe. You're a fool. If you thought that I just let this go, I see
Grabe!
Grabe!
Oh my
Diablo!
God! So our fourth cosplayer is Prime Evil from Diablo.
Yes.
Dito tayo sa gitna. Na-amaze ba kayo? May pasabog, may pailaw pala. Ininakaw mo to kay Iron Man, ano? Ang dami-daming tapos nilagay mo dyan. No, just kidding. So, may we have your name?
My name is Ryan J. M. Castillo. I'm from Angeles City, Pampanga.
Angeles
Pampanga.
City, Pampanga. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Okay, because for the love of cosplay, dinayo niya talaga ang wife of Fest
Yes.
dito sa Baguio.
Can you explain who is this character in terms of the story dun sa game?
Sa mga online gamer, lalo na yung sa Diablo, this Diablo 4, and then doon siya nabuo, si Leia, the Prime Evil, ayun. And then, so far, existing pa rin naman yung character niya ngayon sa Diablo. And then, inspire lang kasi yung music, I have a twist, I see red, and then you can see naman about the
Exactly. So, for sure, nagulat sila sa pasabog na yon. My question is, when did you start cosplaying?
First, I started cosplay 3 years ago. Frozen. First, I cosplay is Disney. And then I would try to shape to armor category is this kind of character.
Speaking of costume, did you personally make this or pinaka-customize mo?
Pina-customize ko din and then nag-combine kami talaga ng tema para mas mabigyan ng twist and then mabigyan ng kulay.
So, how heavy or how difficult is this costume?
Hindi naman siya ganun kabigat. Ang problema ko lang talaga dito is hindi ako makakaupo. Kasi meron akong likod. Hindi siya ganun ka-heavy, magaan lang talaga siya.
So ilang oras ka
kung-
nang hindi nakaupo ever since sinuot mo to?
Siguro 2 o'clock, anong oras? Ganun talaga, it's part of the game, part ng mechanics, kailangan natin sumunod.
All right. Thank you so much. I hope you have been entertained by Prime Evil from Diablo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin.
We are down with our last 2 cosplayers. But syempre, meron tayong tagline pagdating dyan save the best for last. So meron din sila, of course, ipapakita sa atin. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Join me in welcoming on stage our 5th cosplayer.
Nakamono, Kazuto, Haichu. Kazuto, Haichu. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so... Tama? You're done? Okay, let's give it up to our 4th cosplayer. And your
Yan.
name is
Ay,
Zen.
Alam ko
Okay.
yan. Alam ko yan. Alam ko patay na to eh.
So in character, yung moment niya, nag-model siya. O, di ba?
Alam ko yung character, hindi ko na-spoil. Sino ba? Ikaw?
Nanami Kento po.
From Jujutsu Kaisen. Basta ang alam ko patay na siya.
Yep.
Ba, grabe,
Spoiler.
grabe naman yung spoiler mo.
Hindi, nasa anime na eh. Patay na siya.
But thank you so much for joining. Would you like to share how you started this one? Ginagawa mo ba to on a regular basis?
Actually, first time cosplaying po.
Wow.
First time cosplaying din.
Congrats.
Let's give a hand naman to Seth. And how does it feel? Ano yung feeling?
Actually, matagal ko na pong gusto i-try, just hesitating, pero decided to go for it kasi kita ko naman very open and accepting yung cosplay community. So,
That's, ang
I had
galing.
fun.
So, sabi nga natin, there's always a first time. And
Everyone.
walang mangyayari kung hindi mo talaga itatry. So, no regrets tayo
No
doon.
regret, regardless.
Diba? So,
ang
sabi niya,
mahalaga, na-experience mo and the next time.
tsaka
may time
ganda
ka na
nung
to prepare,
sinabi niya
diba?
Very welcoming kasi. Hindi ka ba na-intimidate ng mga ibang nagko-cosplay right now?
medyo po, for sure.
Okay. Pero this is a very friendly community. I hope you also take this chance to meet other cosplayers. All right?
Yes.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for competing.
Thank you.
And last, but not the least, let's give it up to our last contestant.
Yes.
Okay, palakpakan po natin si RC. RC!
Wow! Let's go! Wow naman.
Sabi natin, save the best for last.
Yes.
Napaka-cute! Palakpakan
Thank you,
natin si
ma'am.
RC.
Palakpakan nyo guys. Ang galing.
Dito natin mapapatunayan na sa cosplay community, kahit bago kang panganak, pwede kang sumali at mag-cosplay. So, hello RC. You say hi naman to your fans.
Say hi, say hi. Yan.
May we know how old si RC? How old are you, darling? She is 5. So definitely the youngest cosplayer ngayon. O, sino yung proud na mami niya? Itaas ang kamay.
Ayun.
There you go. Thank you, mami,
Oo.
for sharing your daughter's talent to
Yung
us.
kino-cosplay niya is one of the characters sa Netflix series na K-pop Demon
Demon
Hunters.
Hunters. All right. So, ang cute, no? From head to toe, she is also in character. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have a message to them? May gusto ka bang sabihin? Okay.
Tell
Ah,
them.
Sige, tell them. Anong gusto mong
Yes.
sabihin sa kanila?
Love ko sila. Love ko
Oh,
sila.
sige. Sabihin mo,
Ah,
hello
Mike,
po.
Hello po.
Then, love ko kayo.
Love ko kayo.
Oh, love niya daw kayo. Palakpakan naman natin.
Palakpakan nyo naman.
Si RC. Okay.
Our youngest contestant.
So, thank you so much, RC. You can go to Mommy
you
first.
can go to
and
Mami na.
later
Dandan,
on, we will
dandan.
welcome back on stage all of our 6 contestants to have their
Yes.
photo op together with our board of judges and of course our organizers. So kung ang nag-perform partner are the cosplayers,
Yes.
ang next naman ang magpapainit ng ating stage to really prove that he is one of the best mula sa ating panel of board of judges. Are you excited?
Excited, syempre.
So, sino kaya ang mape-perform? Si Ces ba? From M-Design ba? Or si Waki Cosplay? Sino sa tingin nyo? Louder! M-Design!
M-Design daw,
May
M-Design.
lumalaban, no? Okay. So, let's be entertained as we welcome on stage none other than Waki
Waki
Cosplay. Na on the spot ba si Sir Waki Cosplay?
Biglang na on the spot
Dala pa
eh,
niya
no?
yung ano niya. Hindi daw siya prepared.
Yan, Waki Cosplay. Welcome to Waifu Fest 2025. So we
Habang
will,
nire-ready niya yung
Oo.
kanyang music,
we will have a talk muna with him while we are doing the interview. While we are
nag-enjoy ba
preparing.
kayo sa
Yes.
competition? O di ba? Despite the small number of participants this year, pasabog naman lahat.
Oo.
So it was all worth it. May favorite ba kayong cosplayer? Sino yung fans ng cosplayer number 1? Palakpak naman dyan! Okay, nasaan yung mga fans ni Gold Ship? Cosplay number 2!
Paano ko yan? Paano ko yan?
Nasaan yung mga fans ni Naughty Neighbor?
Wow! Yo!
How about Prime Evil from Diablo? At si Sen?
Yeah.
Naku, nakita yung mga muscles niya kanina, muscles niya. And of course, RC! So abangan natin. Our board of judges are tallying their
Yes.
scores.
Yes,
So,
mamaya malalaman natin ang resulta.
Nakaka-excite naman yan. Akalain mo yung worth ng merchandise na mapapanalunan nila is super worth it sa pagpunta
Yes,
dito.
it is. Worth na worth talaga.
Sa dami yata ng mga magagandang song at performances ni Waki Cosplay, hindi na niya alam kung ano kanyang ipaperform. I-perform na lang po lahat.
Ayan na, ayan na. I think we are ready. So before we proceed, we will do an interview muna sa kanya. So we will talk about his journey. So si Waki Cosplay is a multi-awarded champion in various cosplay competition and has been a comedian cosplayer since 2009 with 16 years of experience in the cosplay community. So, can you walk through us, paano ka ba nag-start as a cosplayer and a comedian?
Nag-start ako as a cosplayer is, con-goer lang talaga ako.
Con-goer ka lang talaga.
And then, pagkatapos may nakilala akong mga cosplayer.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes!
Choji! Ayun. Tapos nakilala, hanggang sa, ayun na, ang bilis eh. Ang bilis
Paano yun? Paano mo, how do you, cosplay and comedy, how do you combine it?
Ang pinoportray ko sa karamihan is yung mga nakakatawa. Like,
Sa cosplay ba, since you are comedian,
Yes.
naghahanap ka ba ng character na sa tingin mo kayang mag-deliver ng mga comedy skits or comedy lines? Kasi maraming mga character sa anime, di ba, that can do
meron.
that type of thing. So ikaw, may mga ganun ka bang experiences?
Yung sa mga skit.
No, any type of comedy. Sa mga character.
Meron.
So sino? If you can give us an example ng mga
Like, how do you
character
pick your material? Like,
Yeah.
interesting tong character na to.
Oo.
Gusto kong gawin to. How do you derive to that?
Sa mukha.
Oh!
So, dapat ba relatable? Parang hawig
tapos
kami.
sa hawig. Tapos yung sa personality.
I see.
Doon ko
Siyempre,
na.
ikaw ba naman ang
Kasi
nasa...
mahirap din mag-portrait ng di ba?
Exactly. At saka, sa 16 years na ginagawa mo to, na-master at na-master mo na talaga. Pero, of all those cosplay characters, sino yung pinaka-favorite mo?
Payat pa ako noon eh.
Wala.
Guy Sensei, sa Naruto. Yun yung first ko, cosplay.
So, for today, you are what character?
Bobby, sa Huntrix.
Ay,
So, di ba
grabe.
Wow.
Okay, so,
Manager.
i-continue natin ang ating interview. Baka
Later.
naman mapitin lahat
So
ang
bigyan
ating
na
mga
natin yung floor
audience.
sa kanya, di ba?
Let's give it up to Waki,
Waki
Cosplay.
Cosplay!
Ayan. Kanta ni Michael Bito, guys. Diyos! Ako si Mr. Asim mo din sa week ko. Anong inakalan mo? Ba't ka naman ganyan? Tinitiraw mo ko ng talikuran. Di ba ako'y nasasaktan? Yoy, kumpare pa naman. Sabi nila, tinawag mo kong bakla. Talaga. At ang kapal ng mukha. Di ako bakla. Sa boses pa lang di mo mahalata. Pag di ka sumigil sa kasasalita, sasampanin kita. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Ho, ho, ho. Nawala ko. Natasik ang fingers ko. Ay! Yes! Sabi nila, tinawag mo kong bakla. Ay, bruha ka talaga. At ang kapal ng mukha. Di ako bakla. Sa boses pa lang di mo ba halata? Hindi ka tumigil sa salita. Kasi kita, hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Ha, ha, ha. Pare, pa, 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 Pare, pare, hindi ako bakla. Di ako bakla. Sa boses pa lang, di mo ba halata? Pag di ka tumigil sa pagsalita. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Di ako bakla. Di ako bakla. Di ako bakla. Hindi ako bakla. Babae ako. Babae ako. Ching.
One more! One more! One more!
Alam mo yung kantang DJ Bombay?
Hindi ko kabisado.
Kaya pa, di ba, Waki?
Bakit? Kaya pa yan.
Ano pa lang yun eh, warm up pa lang yun, di ba? Warm up.
Do it now. Actually, may pinag-uusapan kami kanina eh.
Ano?
Nakakantahin. May pinapahanap ako siya. Alam mo na,
Okay.
nakita mo na.
Oh, are we ready?
Yan, sige, sige.
Oh, talagang pagbibigyan tayo, ganyan tayo kamahal ni
Yan.
Waki Cosplay. Manok na pula, special request.
Manok na pula, manok na pula. Tagal mo na palang ginagawang mag-comedy, no?
Oo.
Are you doing
idol-
stand-up comedy ba minsan?
Hindi. Ano lang, yung ginagaya ko lang yung boses ni
You're imitating his voice. So, fan ka ba ni Michael B?
Yes.
Yes. Ako din actually, sobrang fan ako ni Michael B to the point that some of his songs ay kinakanta ko not just on video, okay, but also sa mga events namin or katuwaan. Like this song na kakantahin natin maya-maya. Actually, isa ito sa mga iconic songs ni Bitoy.
Yes.
One of my favorites, to be honest. Hindi dahil sa kaya ko i-accent. Hindi dahil sa nakaka-relate ako. Baka doon din kasi lagi ang bagsak eh. So ayan, I think mukhang nire-ready na nila. Pero nagka-cosplay ka din. Ano yung mga usual cosplay mo?
The funny ones, yung mga nakakatawa.
Like,
Si
ano?
Michael B, kinosplay ko.
Si Michael B. kinosplay
Lolo
mo.
Canor.
Like yung
Lolo
mga
Canor.
Mr. Asimo. Si Tatalino, na-cosplay mo
yes,
na ba?
yes.
Ay, parang gusto ko makita ikaw magtatalino. Yeah.
Yun.
Game na. Okay.
Okay na.
Ayan na. I think ready na tayo sa song.
Yes.
Yan, sige. Pagbigyan naman natin sila. Ayan, sige.
Uy! Ay. Here we go.
Here we go. Ahoy! Ahoy mga manay! Ako ngayon lingkod, DJ Viday. Nandito po para maghanap buhay at your service, DJ Bombay. Narinig na kayo, maganda na, mura pa. Ito ang aking mga paninda. Medyo may kunting mga diferensya, pero lahat original, hindi pirata. Meron akong balik, kasya sampu. Wala nang hihiga, lahat nakatayo. Gusto mo plasya? Para sa damit, pero yung handle lang umiinit. Kung naiinitan, mag-electric fan umiikot na yung katawan. Porcelana Arinola galing Pakistan. May factory dito sa loob ang hawakan. Break it down. Oh yeah. Alright. Meron akong galan na gawa sa Japan. Lumalabas ako doon sa pihitan, kahadiyero para di manakawan. Pero hanggang ngayon di ko pa nabuksan. Bagong cellphone, tatak Nokia, matalay ang tatak ng baterya niya. May TV rin ako, mura lang, brand new. Kaya lang ang screen merong grado. Halina kayo, huwag kayong mahiya. Umiikot ako buong Maynila. Minsan naglalakad, minsan nakamotor. 4 gives, 5, 6, libre, door to door. I'm your friendly neighborhood hulugan. DJ, huwag mo katakutan. Come on everyone. Sumabay sa tulog, DJ. Break it down. Oh yeah.
Adya.
Oh yeah. All right. Here I go again, ahoy! Ay, mga manay. Ako ngayong likod, DJ Vidya. Ang iyong traveling, ukay. At your service, DJ Bombay. Maraming bago, marami kong dala. Galing Amerika at buong Asya. Medyo may konting mga diferensya, pero lahat original, hindi pirata. Meron akong Rolex, full bagay. Maraming diamond, isa lang ang kamay. Brand new flat screen color TV. Ang kulay ng palabas, itim at puti. May rubber versus ako, tatak, Adidas. May factory defect sa loob ang sintas. Kailangan mo ng shoes, pang terno sa baro. Meron akong boot sa harapan takbo. Kung ang business mo ay construction, mura na, kuha na, tipidal na piso. Masakit ang mata, pagod maghapon. Meron akong eye drop na roll-on. Bili na ng kutsilyo made in Japan. Ay napakatalim, lalo na yung hawakan. Gintong wall clock galing Switzerland. Pero baliktad sa alap ang sabita. Next time pagbalik ko, I will bring lot more. 4 games, 5, 6, libre, tortura. Pwedeng utang, huwag yung kalimutan. Basta huwag yung lang kong tatakbuhan. Kaya pag nakita nyo ako, say hi. Ako ngayon yung DJ Bijay, but you can call me DJ Bombay. Nagpapaalam, so long, goodbye. Oh yeah. Chori, acha. Chori. Acha. Ay.
Ikaw ka na. Break it down.
Okay, anong planet ang nire-represent ninyong dalawa?
Kami galing sa planet ni Mick.
Okay,
nagbibinta talaga ako.
na-transform tayo sa ibang galaxy yata. So ito lang yung talent.
Ito talaga yung
Aside
talent
from
ko.
live streaming,
Oo.
yung mga technical na talent and skills mo. Okay.
Na-inspired ako kasi nakukwento yung sa akin, fan daw siya ni Michael V. So we thought, sabi ko, kantahin kaya natin tong isa sa mga iconic songs ni Michael V. DJ Bombay was one of the original songs ni
Oo
Bitoy.
naman.
So,
Na-feature yan syempre sa Bubble
Bubble Gang, of
So,
course.
thank you so much, Waki
Thank you
Cosplay.
din po.
So, after the Waifu Fest, where can they catch you? Meron ba tayong lineup ng mga events?
Sa ngayon wala pa. Siguro, Lilo muna ako.
O, yung mga
Baka pwede mo sila
audience
ma-invite.
natin
Oo.
from our live stream, please watch for Waki Cosplay and support him. Saan ka po namin makikita yung mga activities natin?
TikTok, meron ako.
May TikTok account si Waki
Wow, may
Cosplay.
TikTok siya. Nice.
So Waki Cosplay din ang nakalagay?
Maki Martinez Official. Yes po.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you po.
when was the last time that you came to Baguio?
Last time? Yung
Oo.
last...
Yung last year din. So, ang tagal umabot ng 1 year. So, worth it naman, di ba?
Yes.
Worth it ang pag-akit.
Worth it.
Alright. So, palakpakan po natin ang ating
Thank you
mga
po.
Waki
si
Cosplay.
Wag na po kayong umalis, sir.
Dito
Kasi
ka muna, sir.
We're going to call back our cosplayers. Nasa na po si Cosplay Crane, si Gold Ship, Naughty Neighbor, Prime Evil from Diablo, Sen, at saka si RC.
Lahat ng mga cosplayers na nag-compete kanina, please go here on stage. All of the players earlier, please go here on stage. Yan, alright. Please go here in the center. Yan, hello po.
May I also call back on stage ang ating mga judges from M-Design, tapos si Ces. Let's have a photo op muna.
Yes.
So partner, nandito na sa aking kamay ang result.
Yes, before we talk about the results, siyempre kakausapin muna natin mga judge on their last word.
Sige po.
So I think we should do the photo ops muna siguro.
Where is Ces? Ces, we're inviting you back on stage.
Ces, please come here on stage. Yes, Ces will be here in a brief moment. So before that, I will interview first the judge to give their words of wisdom for the cosplay competition. Let's go first with one of the founders of M-Design. So sir, any word of advice or comments about our cosplayers earlier who competed here?
Keep doing what you love. Yun, yes. Your passion will push you a long way. Yun yung masasabi ko dyan.
Yes, agree. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang laban, kumbaga. Yan. Of course, I will talk to Waki Cosplay about the competition itself. So, Sir Waki, any words of wisdom, comments, reactions about the competitors earlier who competed here on our cosplay competition?
Yun na, guys. Congratulations sa lahat. Sana nag-perform. And then, ang kuwang ko lang sa inyo is, pag mayroong, kunwari, may nag-bash sa inyo, I hope na hindi kayo may stop. Oo. Tuloy nyo lang yon kasi yun yung passion natin lahat eh. Kaya hayaan yung bash. Go nang go. Yun lang.
Yes, tama. Go lang ng go.
So as long as you love what you're doing, nothing and no one should stop you. Can we move a little,
A little closer.
closer sa ating media partners, official photographer? Sige, semi-circle po tayo. There you go. There you go. Nasaan na ating official photographer na? Ayun, may mga nagbi-video. Alright, thank you so much. Sige, we can move back again po.
Yes.
So before we announce the winners, let's award first or give our token of appreciation sa ating mga judges.
Yes.
So may I call on Ma'am Shane, the syempre founder, organizer of the Waifu Fest, to do the honor. So first, M-Design, please accept your token of appreciation.
We would like to give our token of appreciation to the judges for coming all this way. Ayan. Come on stage.
Yan.
So ready na si Ces for her next performance, no?
Okay, harap po tayo konti. Ayan. So our three judges, palakpakan naman po natin. Waki Cosplay, si Ces, and M-Design.
So sila, kanya-kanya sila ng forte. That's why we have picked them as our judges. Si Sir Waki Cosplay, very veteran na to sa mga competitions and conventions. He knows how it goes in his blood. So thank you again for supporting Waifu Fest this year. He has been with us since the first year. So again, sir, thank you. Si Ces naman, such a wonderful performer. So kung stage presence ang labanan, she would know how to judge. So baby girl, thank you. Last but not the least, Sir Van from M-Design. So they also craft cosplay wear and mismong mga costumes ng ating mga cosplayers who really compete in armor or even the basic of wares. So sir, thank you so much.
Yan. Thank you so much sa ating mga judges.
Thank you so much, judges. Pwede na po tayong maupo.
Yes.
And we shall proceed with the awarding of certificate. First muna, no? Certificate of participation sa ating mga cosplayers. So, we are awarding 3 major prizes and 3 consolation prizes.
Yes.
So, let me just read this one. Waifu Fest 2025, Let Your Dreams Take Flight, award the certificate of participation. So, mga runner-up po to. Palakpakan natin si Franz Joseph ba to? Okay, si Seth. Please give po yung award po natin. Si Sen.
Napa-OT si Sir. Thank you so much
Thank
sir,
you,
for
Sen.
participating.
Sino kaya ang next one?
Sino ba?
Certificate of participation is awarded to Lapipin. Sino si Lapipin? There you go. Ang kanyang stage name.
Gold Ship.
Yes. Yun ang kanyang stage name kanina. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the last, okay, for our consolation or runner-up, let's give it up to, sino kaya? Si Naughty Neighbor. Let's give it up.
Wow.
Diyos ko. Okay. So, may we have the top 3 na contenders in
Yes.
becoming the champion for...
Please go on front. Those
go
top
in
3.
front po.
Yes. Baby, ikaw kasama ka din. Yan.
Sa center stage.
Yan. Okay, yan. Good,
Para
good,
ma-excite
good girl,
naman
good girl.
tayo.
Again, we have the top 3. So,
Yes.
very, very close ang mga scores.
Oh, very close yung mga scores. So why don't we give another big round of applause? Nasaan yung mga fans ni Cosplay Crane? How about si Prime Evil from Diablo? And ang napaka-cute na si RC. Grabe, daming fans kaagad ni RC. Gawa na siya ng page. All right. So ang una kong i-announce, ladies and gentlemen, is of course, our... Ako, baka nabaliktad ko to.
The runner-up, I guess, right?
Okay. We have our second runner-up.
Second runner-up. Drum roll, drum roll.
Drum roll, please. Second runner-up goes to the cutest, the youngest,
Wow.
RC.
RC, yan.
Say hi, RC. Mag-wave naman si RC. There you go.
Yay, congrats.
Miss Shane, please give.
Wow, ang galing naman.
Thank you so much, RC. Ay,
Ang galing. RC, dito ka muna, RC. Yan. Stay
okay,
ka.
parang ano to? Miss Universe, hawak kamay?
Yan.
Oh my God! Napaka-tech.
So dito, sinong i-announce natin? Yung grand winner?
Yung grand winner ang i-announce natin.
Okay. Mala Miss Universe pa ang post.
Alright. Sino kaya among these 2 talented cosplayers ang champion for this year's Waifu Fest Cosplay Competition? Sabi nga ni Miss Shane, napaka-close lang ng kanilang mga scores. Drum roll, please. Let your dreams take flight, cosplay champion winner. Let's give it up to Cosplay Crane! From Pangasinan. Ayan po. And that makes Prime Evil from Diablo the first placer.
Congrats din pareho sa kanila. Napakagaling.
Ayan, Congratulations, Miss Shane. Unahin muna natin ang ating first. Photo op tayo, photo op. Without the light. Thank you so much. And the champion, of course, si Cosplay Gray. Nagbunga yung pag-practice ng vocal cords niyang nakahiga kahapon.
Parang ayoko lumapit sa mga winners.
Alright. Congratulations and thank you so much for joining. Ayan po, may we have the top 3. Yung top 3 natin sa gitna. And we have our runners-up dito. There you go. Thank you so much. Then lahat tayo.
Lahat na.
Show your certificate, guys.
Yes.
Ayan. Next, waifu symbol. Waki. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 2025 cosplay competition brought to you by Waifu Fest.
Yes. Ang galing, ang
Maraming
galing.
salamat and
Congrats.
maraming salamat, Miss Shane.